Welcome to Office 24 by 7. Today, let's unlock a feature that can instantly make your dashboard smarter and far more insightful. If you've ever wished your dashboard could not only show data but also calculate your totals, averages, highest values, and lowest values on the spot, then this video is exactly what you need. We've already explored how to create dashboards and how to use one-column, two-column, and multi-column widgets. Now we're going deeper to understand how dashboards can perform arithmetic calculations using group, minimum, maximum, sum, and average. These aggregations help you analyze numerical values directly from your data without exporting anything or using any external tools. Earlier we worked only with grouping aggregations, but when you select a numerical column in your dashboard, a new set of powerful aggregators becomes available. Here's the dashboard we created in the previous video, Lead Agent Performance. I'm adding a new widget and naming it Agent Budget Estimation. I'm selecting Objects as the filter type, and under that I've chosen the Leads object. As I mentioned, to access arithmetic calculations, we need to select a numerical value from the column list. First, I'm selecting the Lead Status column, and then I'm choosing the Budget Amount Estimation field as my numeric column. In Office 24 by 7, numeric values usually come from two types of custom fields, the number field and the currency field, and in standard fields they come from talk duration, call time, or talk time. Both of these allow you to perform numerical calculations. Budget amount estimation is a currency field, which is why I'm selecting it here, though you can choose any numeric or currency custom field in your object. The graph type is set to bar, and the legend position is updated to bottom center. Now you can see the selected columns, lead status and budget estimation, and for the budget estimation field, the available aggregators appear as group, sum, average, minimum, and maximum. First, let's go with the group to see how the widget appears. When the widget loads, you'll notice that under each lead status, multiple bars appear, each bar representing one lead's budget value. This red bar represents 50,000, this yellow bar represents 25,000. This green bar represents 78,900, and so on, each one corresponding to a different lead. Since this is numerical data, we can now apply arithmetic functions like finding the total amount of budget in different statuses, that is, qualified, new, and disqualified. Let's remove the group and apply the sum aggregator. After saving, you'll see that for qualified lead status, there are 19 leads, and hovering over the bar displays a total group count of 19, and their total budget value of 17,03,900. Similarly, for new leads, there are 4 leads with their budget totaling to 1,28,500, and for disqualified, there is 1 lead with a budget of 30,000. Now, if you want to find the minimum budget value within each status, simply apply the minimum aggregator and save. You will now see, for example, that in the qualified status, the minimum budget amount is 4,000, and similarly for new and disqualified. Next, we'll apply the maximum aggregator to find the highest budget amount across each lead status. After saving, you'll be able to see that the highest budget amount in the qualified group is 9,09,000. In new status, it is 60,000, and in disqualified status, it is 30,000. Another option is average. If you want to know the average value of the budgets, you can apply the average aggregator and click Save. This will show the average amount of all the budget amounts. For instance, in the qualified group, the average budget amount is 89,678. In new, it is 32,125, and in disqualified, it is 30,000. You can even use more than one aggregator at a time. For example, applying both sum and average allows you to see both totals and averages when hovering over the bars. Since Leads is a dynamic object with custom numeric fields, these calculations work perfectly here. But even with standard objects like Cloud Telephony, numerical aggregators are available. To demonstrate this, I'm selecting Cloud Telephony as the object, choosing Username as the column so that we can see which agent we are analyzing, and selecting Talk Duration as the numeric field. Talk duration is stored in minutes or seconds. We can see the same aggregators: group, minimum, maximum, sum, and average, which we applied in dynamic objects. Now, I'm applying the sum aggregator to calculate the total talk time or talk duration for each agent. After saving, you'll notice that Prashant Dubey is the only agent with talk duration data. He has made 119 calls. The sum of all call durations is 4,855 seconds, which when converted to hours is 1 hour, 20 minutes, and 55 seconds. And that's how powerful aggregators like sum, minimum, maximum, and average transform your dashboard from simple visual charts into meaningful, actionable insights. Instead of manually calculating totals or comparing values, your dashboard does the analysis instantly for you. Whether you're tracking budgets, talk duration, or any other numerical data, these aggregation tools help you understand performance at a glance. If this video helped you see your data more clearly, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more smart Office 24 by 7 tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.